Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Focus radio, full guide. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts and airbags deploying. Next, collect plastic trim tools, a flat screwdriver, and a 10 mm socket so you can remove panels and fasteners without scratching trim. Keep screws in a small container and take photos during disassembly to speed reassembly and avoid guesswork later. With trim tools in hand, gently pry off the dash trim around the radio by inserting the tool at seam edges and levering outward until clips release. Work along the top edge first, then the sides, so clips disengage evenly without cracking plastic. Keep track of each clip and panel as you remove them, and place parts in a soft area to prevent scratches while you access mounting screws and the radio chassis. Quick recommendation: if you want your car to smell great after digging into dashwork, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that hides workshop odors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you like, and now let's get back to the video. After exposing the radio, remove the mounting screws and carefully slide the unit forward until wiring becomes accessible. Locate the antenna coax and main wiring harness, then depress the release tabs to unplug each connector without pulling on wires. If your Focus has steering wheel controls, note the extra harness or adapter. Once all plugs are detached, fully extract the radio from the dash and cover exposed connectors to keep dirt out during any bench work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.